Hello friends, welcome to Solutions. Sir. Press the subscribe button and bell icon to get more updates on free online courses and course answer. Also follow us on Telegram. Link is given into description. So the guys, in this video we will see more than 10 Udemy courses which are paid one but we get at free of cost. I will provide you coupon code. That coupon code and course link is available into our description. So let's start. The first course is Human Computer Interaction Theory and Principle, HCI Fundamentals. The rating of this course is 3.1 and already 11,000 students enrolled for the course. In this course, you will learn the principle and theory of human computer interaction. This course is completely free, only one day left at this price, and this course includes 4.5 hours on demand video, one download resource, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At the end, you get certificate of that course. Second course is CSS and JavaScript Certification course for beginners. Learn how to add dynamic client-side functions to your web pages using CSS and JavaScript. The rating of this course is 4.3 and already 1,18,000 students enrolled for this course. In this course, you will learn parts of CSS rule, CSS classes, spans, divisions, CSS background, transparency, CSS link, styling, Z-index, table, JavaScript placement, type of CSS rules, CSS positioning, CSS margin, padding, text properties, font properties, and etc. This course is again free, only 19 hours left at this price, and this course includes 3 hours on demand video. And the coupon code is UXL881712, and at the end you get certificate of that course. Next course is Machine Learning with Google Colabs Beginner's Guide, Supervised Learning Hands-On. The rating of this course is 4.1 and already 17,000 students enrolled for this course. In this course, we will learn basics of supervised learning. Again, this course is free, only 19 hours left at this price. So enroll for this course as soon as possible. And this course includes 3 hours on demand video and full access on mobile and TV. At the end, you get certificate of that course. In this course, you will learn high machine learning introduction to Google collaboration, support vector machines, tree hands-on, random forest, support vector machines, hands-on with Google collaboration. Uh, this course link and coupon code is also given in description, and at the end you get certificate of that course. The next course is SQL, the complete introduction to SQL programming. Learn the basic of SQL programming and data manipulation with the use of SQL. The rating of this course is 4.1 and already 71,271 students enrolled for that course. In this course, you will learn basic SQL programming, use various keywords to perform different tasks, manipulate data in different ways, analysis basic data with SQL, understand all the theory of SQL. This course is again free, only one day left at this price, and this course includes 3.5 hours on demand video, full lifetime access. At the end, you get certificate of that course. The link of this course and coupon code is given into a description. This course is Adobe After Effects 2021 Ultimate Course. Everything you need to know about Adobe After Effects 2021. The rating of this course is 4.0 and already 76,856 students enrolled for this course. In this course, you will learn setup account and download Creative Cloud, welcome page, main menu, install Adobe After Effects CSCC 2021. Again, this course is free, only one day left at this price. This course include 4 hours on demand video, access on mobile and TV, and coupon code is try10 free 52110, and at the end you get certificate of that course. Next course is writing and publishing a research paper guide, steps for writing and publishing research paper, choosing appropriate journal to which you will submit the research paper. The rating of this course is 4.4 and already 6,000 enrolled for that course. Only one day left at this price, and this course includes 1.5 hours on demand video and 12 articles. Uh, the coupon code is pre-search, and at the end you get certificate of that course. Next course is 31 Startup Business Model, base score for interpreter. The rating is 4.4. It includes 4 hours on demand video, and at the end you get certificate of that course. The course name and course link is given into description. Next course is PHP and MySQL Certification course for beginners. Learn to build a database-driven web application using PHP and MySQL. The rating of this course is 4.3 and already 1,73,669 students enrolled for this course. In this course, you will learn PHP variable, syntax variable, scope, keywords, PHP string, constant operation, PHP else if switch statement, PHP function, PHP conditional statement, PHP loops, PHP arrays, PHP server side, echo versus print, and data output. Only 19 hours left at this price, so enroll for this course as soon as possible. And this course includes 3.5 hours on demand video, one downloadable resource, full lifetime access, and at the end you get certificate of that course. The coupon code of this course is UXL881712. The coupon code and course link is given in description. The remaining courses is given into description. To get more updates on free online courses and course answer, please subscribe our channel and also connect me with Telegram. I will give the link in description. Thank you.